Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on an epic adventure through California, one of the most beautiful and diverse states in the US. From its stunning beaches and towering mountains to its vibrant cities and peaceful deserts, California has something for everyone. Whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of one, this video will show you the best places to visit, things to do, and hidden gems to explore. So sit back, relax, and let's explore California together. Explore California, a complete travel guide to the Golden State. California, also known as the Golden State, is a dream destination for travelers. Located on the west coast of the United States, it offers a mix of natural beauty, cultural diversity, and endless adventures. In this article, we'll take you through some of the top places to visit and experiences to enjoy in California. Explore California's cities. A tour of the Golden State's urban gems. California is not just about natural beauty. Its cities are equally captivating. Each city has its own unique vibe, culture, and attractions. In this article, we'll take you through some of the must-visit cities in California and what makes them special. Los Angeles, the city of angels. Los Angeles, or LA, is the entertainment capital of the world. It's a city where dreams are made, and there's always something exciting happening. Hollywood. Visit the Hollywood Walk of Fame, the TCL Chinese Theater, and the iconic Hollywood sign, Santa Monica. Enjoy the beach, the pier, and the Third Street Promenade. Downtown LA. Explore the Arts District, the Broad Museum, and the historical Vera Street. San Francisco. The city by the Bay. San Francisco is known for its historic landmarks, diverse neighborhoods, and stunning views. Golden Gate Bridge. Walk or bike across this iconic bridge for breathtaking views of the Bay. Alcatraz Island. Take a ferry to this historic island and tour the infamous prison, Chinatown. Explore one of the oldest and largest Chinatowns in the U.S. Fisherman's Wharf. Enjoy fresh seafood, street performers, and the sea lions at Pier 39. San Diego. America's finest cities. San Diego offers a perfect blend of beaches, parks, and urban attractions. Balboa Park. Visit museums, gardens, and the San Diego Zoo. Gaslamp Quarter. Experience nightlife, dining, and historic architecture. La Jolla. Enjoy beautiful beaches, tide pools, and upscale shopping. Sacramento. The capital city. Sacramento is rich in history and culture, with a laid-back vibe. Old Sacramento. Step back in time with historic buildings, cobblestone streets, and riverboat rides. California State Capitol Museum. Tour the beautiful Capitol building and its surrounding gardens. Farm to fork dining. Enjoy fresh, locally sourced food at the city's many restaurants. San Jose. The heart of Silicon Valley. San Jose is a hub of innovation and technology, with plenty of cultural attractions. Tech Interactive. Explore hands-on exhibits at this interactive science and technology center. Santana Row. Shop, dine, and relax at this upscale outdoor mall. Japantown. Experience Japanese culture, food, and festivals. Oakland. The cultural hub. Oakland is known for its vibrant arts scene, diverse communities, and beautiful waterfront. Lake Merritt. Enjoy walking, boating, and picnicking around this scenic lake. Jack London Square. Visit this historic waterfront area with shops, restaurants, and entertainment. Oakland Museum of California. Learn about the art, history, and culture of California. Fresno. The gateway to Yosemite. Fresno is a great base for exploring Yosemite National Park, with its own unique attractions. Fresno. Chaffee Zoo. Visit this family-friendly zoo with a variety of animals and exhibits. Forestier. Underground Gardens. Explore these unique underground gardens created by an Italian immigrant. Tower District. Enjoy dining, shopping, and entertainment in this historic neighborhood. California's cities offer a rich tapestry of experiences, from the glitz of Los Angeles to the historic charm of San Francisco. Each city has its own unique attractions and vibe, making California a diverse and exciting destination. Whether you're exploring the urban jungles or the cultural hotspots, California cities are sure to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for joining us on this tour of California cities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and adventures. Let us know in the comments which California city you'd love to visit first. Until next time, happy travels! The iconic cities. California is home to some of the most famous cities in the world, Start your journey in Los Angeles, the entertainment capital. Visit Hollywood, walk along the Santa Monica Pier, or explore the trendy neighborhoods of downtown. LA, don't forget to take a scenic drive along the Pacific Coast Highway for stunning ocean views. Next, head to San Francisco, known for its Golden Gate Bridge, historic cable cars, and vibrant neighborhoods like Chinatown and Haight-Ashbury. Take a ferry to Alcatraz Island or enjoy fresh seafood at Fisherman's Wharf. Natural. Wonders, California's natural beauty is breathtaking. Explore Yosemite National Park, where you'll find towering waterfalls, giant sequoias, and stunning granite cliffs. For beach lovers, Big Sur offers dramatic coastal views, while Lake Tahoe is perfect for hiking, skiing, and water sports. If you're a fan of desserts, don't miss Joshua Tree National Park, famous for its unique rock formations and starry night skies. And of course, no trip to California is complete without visiting Death Valley, the hottest and driest national park in the US. Hidden gems. While California's famous spots are worth visiting, the state is also full of hidden gems. Explore the charming town of Solvang, a little slice of Denmark in California, or visit the Mendocino coast for rugged cliffs and quaint villages. Wine enthusiasts will love Napa Valley and Sonoma, where you can tour vineyards and enjoy world-class wines. Food and culture. California's diverse culture is reflected in its food. From fresh seafood in San Diego to farm-to-table dining in the Bay Area, there's something for every palate. Don't miss the chance to try In-N-Out Burger, a California classic, or explore the food trucks in LA for a taste of global cuisine. Adventure awaits for thrill seekers. California offers endless opportunities for adventure. Go surfing in Huntington Beach, hike the Pacific Crest Trail, or ski in the Sierra Nevada mountains. If you're feeling brave, take a hot air balloon ride over Temecula Valley or go rock climbing in Joshua Tree. Sacramento, exploring California's capital city. Sacramento, the capital of California, is a city that beautifully blends history, culture, and modern attractions. Located in the northern part of the state, Sacramento is often referred to as the City of Trees due to its lush greenery. Here's a guide to some of the top attractions and experiences in Sacramento. Old Sacramento, a step back in time. Old Sacramento is a historic district that takes you back to the Gold Rush era. With its cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and horse-drawn carriages, it's like stepping into a time machine. California State Railroad Museum. Explore the history of railroads in California with fascinating exhibits and restored trains. Delta King Riverboat. Enjoy dining, entertainment, and even overnight stays on this historic riverboat. Gold Rush history. Learn about the Gold Rush era at the Sacramento History Museum. California State Capitol Museum. California State Capitol is not just a government building. It's also a museum that offers a glimpse into the state's political history. Capitol tours. Take a guided tour to learn about the history and architecture of the Capitol building. Capitol Park. Stroll through the beautiful gardens and monuments surrounding the Capitol. Historic rooms. Visit the historic rooms, including the governor's office and the legislative chambers. Farm to Fork. Sacramento is known as America's farm-to-fork capital, thanks to its proximity to some of the richest farmland in the country. Local restaurants. Enjoy fresh, locally sourced meals at farm-to-table restaurants like The Kitchen and Mulvaney's B&L Farmers Markets. Visit the Midtown Farmers Market for fresh produce, artisanal goods, and local crafts. Farm to Fork Festival. If you're visiting in September, don't miss the annual Farm to Fork Festival, celebrating the region's agricultural bounty. Cultural attractions. Sacramento has a vibrant arts and culture scene, with plenty of museums, theaters, and galleries to explore. Crocker Art Museum. Visit one of the oldest art museums in the West, featuring a diverse collection of art. Sacramento Theater Company. Enjoy live performances at this historic theater. Second Saturday Art Walk. Explore local art galleries and studios during this monthly event in Midtown. Sacramento's mild climate and beautiful parks make it a great destination for outdoor enthusiasts. American River Parkway. Enjoy biking, hiking, and picnicking along this scenic river trail. William Lamb Park. Visit the Sacramento Zoo, Fairy Tale Town, and the beautiful gardens in this expansive park. Lake Tahoe Day Trips. Sacramento is a great base for day trips to Lake Tahoe, offering outdoor activities year-round. Family-friendly attractions. Ackerton is a great destination for families, with plenty of kid-friendly attractions. Sacramento Zoo. Explore this family-friendly zoo with a variety of animals and exhibits. Fairy Tale Town, let your kids' imaginations run wild at this storybook-themed park. Exploratorium, visit this hands-on science and art museum for interactive exhibits and activities. California's famous areas, must-visit spots in the Golden State. California is a state that needs no introduction. Known for its diverse landscapes, vibrant cities, and iconic landmarks, it's a destination that offers something for everyone. Here's a guide to some of California's most famous areas that you simply can't miss. Los Angeles, the entertainment capital. Los Angeles, or LA, is synonymous with Hollywood glamour and endless sunshine. Hollywood, walk along the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Visit the TCL Chinese Theater and hike up to the Hollywood sign. Santa Monica, enjoy the beach, the pier, and the 3rd Street Promenade. Downtown LA, explore the Arts District, the Bra Museum, and the historic Olvera Street. San Francisco, the city by the bay. San Francisco is famous for its historic landmarks, diverse neighborhoods, and stunning views. Golden Gate Bridge, walk or bike across this iconic bridge for breathtaking views of the bay. Alcatraz Island, take a ferry to this historic island and tour the infamous prison. Chinatown, explore one of the oldest and largest Chinatowns in the Used Fisherman's Wharf. Enjoy fresh seafood, street performers, and the sea lions at Pier 39. Yosemite National Park, a natural wonder. Yosemite is one of the most famous national parks in the world, known for its stunning landscapes. Yosemite Valley, marvel at iconic landmarks like El Capitan Half Dome and Bridal Veil Fall. Glacier Point, enjoy panoramic views of the park from this popular viewpoint. Giant sequoias, visit Mariposa Grove to see these ancient, towering trees. 4. San Diego, America's finest city. San Diego offers a perfect blend of beaches, parks, and urban attractions. Balboa Park, visit museums, gardens, and the San Diego Zoo. Gaslamp Quarter, experience nightlife, dining, and historic architecture. La Jolla, enjoy beautiful beaches, tide pools, and upscale shopping. Napa Valley, wine country. Napa Valley is world-renowned for its vineyards and wineries. Wine tasting, tour some of the region's most famous wineries and enjoy wine tastings. Hot air balloon rides, take a hot air balloon ride for stunning views of the vineyards. Gourmet dining, enjoy farm-to-table dining at some of the region's top restaurants. Lake Tahoe, a year-round playground lake. Tahoe is famous for its crystal-clear waters and outdoor activities. Summer activities, enjoy hiking, boating, and swimming in the lake. Winter sports, hit the slopes at world-class ski resorts like Squaw Valley and Heavenly. Scenic drives, take a drive around the lake for breathtaking views. Death Valley, the land of extremes. Death Valley is known for its extreme temperatures and unique landscapes. Badwater Basin, visit the lowest point in North America, Zabriskie Point. Enjoy panoramic views of the park's unique terrain. Mesquite Flats Sand Dunes, explore these iconic sand dunes. Big Sur, coastal beauty. Big Sur is famous for its dramatic coastal views and rugged landscapes. Bixby Creek Bridge, capture photos of this iconic bridge with the ocean in the background. McWay Falls, visit this stunning waterfall that drops directly onto the beach. Scenic drives, drive along Highway 1 for some of the most breathtaking coastal views in the world. Sacramento is a city that offers a rich blend of history, culture, and modern attractions. Whether you're exploring its historic districts, enjoying farm-to-fork dining, or relaxing in its beautiful parks, Sacramento has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to California's capital city today. California is a state that truly has it all. Whether you're exploring its iconic cities, marveling at its natural wonders, or discovering its hidden gems, you're sure to fall in love with the Golden State. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your California adventure today. Thanks for joining us on this journey through California. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and adventures. Let us know in the comments which part of California you'd love to visit first. Until next time, happy travels!